today I'm going to be your fairy stamping godmother who will help you with these 5 personal stamping hacks that I wish I knew when I was a beginner stamper. Hack 1, the U stamping hack. This is a really good hack for those full nail designs that kind of give you less imagery that goes on your skin, which also means less cleaning up. 2, removing excess polish with Scotch tape. Helps to clean your stampers, can clear off the skin around your nails. Hack 3, using cuticle protector tape or liquid latex to go ahead and protect the skin. And hack 4, smudge-free top coat. If you don't have a smudge-free top coat and you're doing nail stamping, get it, absolutely get it. And hack 5 was the 100% acetone for cleaning your nail plate, and why you really should get 100% acetone. So it's not like a secret, you know? And I'm so happy to be sharing these things with you.